This quick video is about how to turn on your BeReal notification on iPhone, and this will also fixes your notification issues on BeReal. Okay, let's see. Basically, if you didn't receive BeReal notification, first go to settings, then scroll down and open BeReal. Then open notifications, and here make sure every options are turned on. Now close this and open BeReal app. Now click here and tap these three dots and open these notifications. Now here turn on all toggle buttons. That's it. Hopefully it will solve your issue. If still you didn't receive any notification, check for BeReal updates on App Store, and after this you will receive BeReal notification for sure. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.